สวัสดีครับผู้ชมทุกท่านยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่รายการของรูดี้วันนี้เราจะได้มีโอกาสเรียนเกี่ยวกับสระเอครับ Hello and welcome to Thai letters. This lesson deals with the A vowel. We will first see how the letter or the vowel A is written. We'll then learn how it's pronounced. And we'll then have a couple of examples of how it's written and represented within different types and fonts and styles. And in the end, you will be given exercise material to practice writing, reading, and pronunciation. I would like to refer you to the vowels introductory video, which is introducing you to this course and its structure. Within the wheel of vowels, we will find the long A vowel right here to the right. Sara A. Okay, let's see how this vowel is written. It's placed before the consonant it belongs to. However, as you may remember, it is spoken or read after it. So basically you write it A, A, A. You can practice this on your own on an extra sheet of paper, or you can also download the freely available exercise material which will provide, these grid lines where you can practice writing the A vowel. These are freely available on thailanguageprogram.com. Pronunciation. Let's practice a little bit. I will go first and you repeat after me whenever the vowel turns red. A, 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 A. Excellent. You can practice this on your own as well and also in combination with consonants that you already know. Like here, for instance. Let's see how the A vowel sounds when it's combined with ga gai. So ga plus A leads to the syllable ge, ge, ge. Now you can again repeat after me. Ge. Very good. Now combined with da jan. So basically da plus A or t plus A leads to the syllable de, de, de. And again, repeat after me. De. Great. And this is also very valuable to practice and to realize actually while practicing that the A vowel is written before the consonant it belongs to or it's combined with. However, it is spoken after it, even despite of the fact that its position is before the consonant. Da dek plus A leads to the syllable de, de, de. And again, please repeat after me. De. Fine. Da tao plus sara A leads to the syllable te, te, te. And now you. Te. Great. Ba by mai plus sara A becomes be, be, be. Please repeat this syllable after me. Be. Very good. And the last example, ba bla plus sara A becomes be, be, be. And repeat after me. Be. Excellent. You can practice these on your own And if you know additional consonants, you can also combine those consonants with the A vowel or with any vowel you have come to learn over the past. Now, it's very important to notice the difference, let's say, between the last two examples, so be and be, where you basically can distinguish those two syllables from the sound, the initial sound of the syllable. So is it a hard or is it a soft? When comparing ba, bla, and ba by my. So this is what you have to pay some attention to, and also the same actually is true for the middle two examples, so da, de, and da, dao, where you have the soft and the hard version. So da, de being the soft version, de versus the hard version, da, dao, de, so de. The reason I'm pointing this out now is because afterwards in the exercises that are provided, especially on syllable dictation, you will have to very much pay attention on these differences in order to get the exercise right. Okay, let's continue. Examples of how the letter or the vowel A is represented in Thai writing fonts. We have different examples which are similar to each other, of course. However, sometimes they look a bit different or maybe unexpected. Anyway, you will be able to find different representations of this vowel, some very close to what you can see on the card in blue to the right on the screen. Others look just like resembling somehow the initial or the main pattern of how the vowel is written. Now within these fragments we will now see where the Sara E is to be found. We have one in this one, and we have a second example in black, actually white writing on black background, where we have a Sara E right there. Okay, now there is a text fragment where we can also find the A vowels and a black backgrounded writing again here. And now your task is to go ahead and find Sara E's within these text fragments. And I would like to ask you to one more time stop the video right here, and before continuing, make sure that you've scanned the text and that you've found, circled, marked, however noted, where the A vowels are before you continue. Because pay attention, now the solutions are going to be displayed, and if you haven't done the exercise yet, make sure you do it first and then continue watching this video. Okay, where did you find A vowels within this text? Let's see the positions of the different vowels. First, right at the beginning in the word wela. Then we have another one in the first line, and a third one, and a fourth one. And then let's go to the second line, where we find a couple of A vowels again. In the third line again, and in the last line there's just one. So if you found all these examples of A vowels within this text, then you're actually very good at recognizing and finding these vowels within texts. So you're basically able to read them. I guess you're also able to find all the other consonants that we've already learned, like ga, gai, for instance, or da, dan within that text. So basically, you're already able to read a couple of fragments of the text, right? In the second example, we have A vowels again. Okay, let's continue. All right. Now, if you feel confident with finding and recognizing sara e within text fragments, you're now ready to practice using the exercise material provided. However, if you feel like you haven't found all of them or you're still confused, you can re-watch the lesson or also, of course, other lessons and then try to solve the exercises. Now, the exercise material provided for this lesson are, first of all, a normal sheet where you can practice a vowel writing within the 2 lines of the main layer of the text that is introduced in writing introduction. Okay. A second example or exercise will be where a sheet of text where you have to fill in the sara e within the text fragment within writing actually to see how it is combined with different consonants that you may not already know. However, you will see the position where to actually write the e vowel. And the third would be to then basically complete combinations of consonants and vowels within these lines. And the consonant you have to combine it with is always provided. And here again, the first 2 examples are basically provided in dotted lines just for you to once more realize that the e vowel's position is in front of the consonant it is combined with. So this is also true for all the remaining lines. So not only for ga gai, of course, but da jan, da dek, da tao, ba bai mai, and ba ba. For all these consonants, you are required to put the e vowel in front of it. And the fourth exercise will then be a listening comprehension, where combinations of consonants and vowels, and here I want to point out it's not only e vowels that are included here, but also the a and the e vowel we have already come to learn. So basically we have now 3 vowels available and we have 5 consonants available with which we can make pairs, combinations of consonant and vowels in order to produce syllables and syllable combinations. And within this exercise, you will be required to very carefully listen to what is being dictated and write it down within these 6 lines on the sheet of paper that you can print out and then compare it with the solutions which are provided on the last sheet of paper within the exercise document. Okay, sorry for talking so much. However, I hope the exercises will provide helpful material to you in order to practice your Thai reading, Thai writing, and listening comprehension. I'm very much looking forward to receiving you again in next lesson, which will deal with the long oo vowel. So after this lesson, we will then have 5 consonants that we know and 4 vowels with which we can make combinations. And you will see that the possibilities of combinations are already quite diverse then. And already now, of course, because there's so many combinations you can do and syllable combinations as well to come up with syllables and sometimes even words that are existing in Thai language. And you will see that the progress you will be making is quite impressive in terms of reading Thai and writing Thai language. Okay. Thank you for listening and thank you for sharing and thank you for all your thumbs up and your support and I'm looking forward to receiving you in next lesson ขอบคุณนะครับที่ใช้รายการของรู้ดีครับเราหวังว่าเราจะได้มีโอกาสเจอกันอีกในบทหน้าครับโชคดีนะครับสวัสดีครับ